Israel launched a large-scale military operation on June 13, 2025, targeting Iranian nuclear and military sites across Iran. This preemptive strike, called Operation Rising Line, aimed to halt Iran's nuclear program and eliminate key military commanders. Explosions rocked Tehran, Esfahan, Natanz, and other provinces, killing senior Revolutionary Guard officers and nuclear scientists. In response, Iran fired hundreds of ballistic missiles and drones at Israeli cities, including Tel Aviv and Haifa. Israel's Iron Dome intercepted most attacks, but some caused casualties and damage. The conflict quickly escalated with ongoing missile strikes and air raids on both sides. This conflict has caused significant casualties and destruction on both sides, including the deaths of military leaders and civilians, and damage to critical infrastructure. Neighboring countries remain on high alert amid fears the fighting could spread further, while global energy markets face disruption due to instability in key shipping routes. World powers have reacted cautiously. The United States supports Israel's right to self-defense but calls for restraint and diplomacy. Russia, China, and others emphasize the urgent need to prevent further escalation. International efforts are underway to revive nuclear talks and negotiate a ceasefire before the conflict worsens. Iran has sought to de-escalate the conflict by asking Gulf Arab states Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Oman to pressure US President Donald Trump to use his influence over Israel to agree to an immediate ceasefire. Tehran has indicated it is willing to show flexibility in nuclear negotiations if a ceasefire is established first. Gulf nations, alarmed by the risk of regional escalation, have urged Washington to encourage Israel to halt its military actions and resume diplomatic talks with Iran. The conflict has heightened regional instability, with neighboring countries on alert amid fears of wider escalation. Global energy markets are affected due to disruptions in key oil shipping routes. This crisis marks a dangerous escalation in the long-standing tensions between Israel and Iran, with serious humanitarian and geopolitical consequences.